Beth in Irvine's asking, this is actually a great question, Walker. What careers can one pursue in the laser industry besides a career like yours?
Yeah.
You can always work for a laser company.
That's always great.
That's always a good start. So if you're really good at lasers,
mechanical engineer.
Yeah, absolutely. There's mechanical engineering you can do with that. Actually, really all engineering.
All
if you're doing
engineering,
anything where you're prototyping a product or anything, use of the laser is paramount.
Yes. And I think the software engineers and the mechanical engineers are one of the most important when it comes to creating.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. Understanding your capabilities and what you're able to do with your materials is huge. Another job probably sign shops. Any kind of sign or signage shop. Yeah. Also, I could probably a lot of our customers have these in their wood shop, so I'm assuming that like any type of woodworking, that would be
a huge thing. It's even if you're not going for that degree, but you could still be an operator.
Oh, absolutely, and I think that's probably more so the case. Like, you can imagine if you leave high school and you know how to use a laser system really well, you're very hireable right out of the workforce.
And believe it or not, like some people just get it real easy. And those operators, like, it's not a bad job at all.
No, not at all. And I'll tell you, there's a lot of people who own businesses that are a bit older than us who are a little intimidated by using lasers, let alone learning new softwares and things. So young people who are willing to go out and learn new software and understand like what it's going to take to get from A to B, a lot of opportunity out there for you.
Yeah, that's very true. One of our older friends, right, he's maker, and it was a bit intimidating because he used planes and all the woodworking tools.
Absolutely.
And then getting the computer stuff, it was a bit intimidating, but he got past that.
Absolutely, but I mean, really, Jimmy DiResta is that kind of guy. He's old school, uses every kind of real tool in the market, but he's got a Muse hobby laser, and he's about to get a Pro Series, big 48-inch
I'm
laser.
excited to see what he makes.
I cannot wait till he gets one of our big industrial machines in his shop and he starts making those big projects. It's going to be great.
Hey everybody, if you guys want to